welcome back to the channel. My name is Chiamaka and I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria. If this is your first time of dropping by the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below just before you leave. Turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also do not forget to like this video and also share this video to your friends so they can learn a thing or two from the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 ways you can make money as a Nigerian student. That is 6 side hustle ideas for Nigerian students. Now, if you're a Nigerian student, you should know by now all federal universities and most state universities are on strike, which is the Asuu strike. I'm also a Nigerian student and I know how frustrating, how hard it has been for me these past few months. Just staying at home, doing absolutely nothing other than pressing my phone, visiting friends, and doing absolutely nothing, like I said earlier. And I know most Nigerian students are on this table, which was why I decided to make a few research, come on here and tell you 6 side hustle ideas you can do as a Nigerian student and make that extra money while sitting down at home. Now, if it sounds like something you might be interested in learning, then I want you to relax and keep on watching this. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the first one is content writing. If you have vast knowledge about English language, you're very versatile with English, you know how to write very well in English, you know how to write captivating stories, you know how to write enticing stories that can drive traffic to blogs, then this side hustle idea is for you. There are a lot of editors, there are a lot of blogs, there are a lot of websites looking for content writers for their pages. Even business owners need content writers. If you know you have a way with words, you know how to write stories very well, then this side hustle idea is for you. All you just need to do is go online and search for people that need your services and either submit like a CV or an application letter, depending on which one you are asked to submit. Believe me, if they find you good enough, you are going to get that job and you start earning money ASAP. Now, the good thing about content writing is you don't need to go to an office to work, you don't need to go to anywhere to work. So far you have a smartphone or you have a laptop, you can work anywhere. You can even work from the comfort of your home. Even when you go to school, you can still continue to do the side hustle and earn extra money while in school. So now the second one is help kids do their assignments via WhatsApp. These days, a lot of parents are busy with work and even busy with their business. Most times, most parents usually come back from their work or from their business place, let's say 9, 10, and by that time, most kids are usually asleep because they need to go to school the next day. If you know any parent like that, you can put word to them and tell them, oh, I can help your kids do their assignment via WhatsApp. I am good in so subject, I'm good in so subject. Okay, you can tell them I can help your kids in primary school or I can help your kids in junior secondary school do their homework, but it is going to be via WhatsApp. Now, this is all you are going to do. So once the kids are back from school, they'll snap their assignment for you and send to you on WhatsApp. Then you look at it, help them solve it, and then you resend to them via that same WhatsApp. Then you put them through, tell them, okay, this was how I was able to get the answers, and if they have any questions, you help them answer the questions. Believe me, if you have about 5 to 6 families you are doing this for every month, that is a whole lot of money. Even when you go back to school, you can still continue this side hustle. All you just need to do is plan yourself very well. So the third one is personal shopper. Now, when I mean personal shopper, I don't mean personal shopper for luxurious items like bags, shoes, clothes. I mean personal shopper for food items. Now, all you just need to do is go around your neighborhood and look for those lawyers, those bankers, those engineers, accountants, those people that you know that they are usually coming back late from work, and put a word to them and tell them, oh, I can help you get anything you want. I can help you get foodstuffs from the market. All you just need to do is give me a list and I will go to the market for you and get anything you want. So when they give you a list and you go to the market, to help them get everything on that list. Okay, and then when you are back, you collect your service fee. Now, let's say you are going to the market and you are buying something worth 15,000 naira. You can decide to collect 2% or 3% or 4% or even 5% of that 15,000 naira, depending on how far the market is and how scarce that commodity you are going to get is. Okay, imagine you have like 5 to 10 people you are going to the market for every weekend, and you're collecting 5% or even 3% of, let's say, 15,000 naira or even 30,000 naira. That is a whole lot of money. Calculate 3% of 30,000 naira times 10 people, and some people may not necessarily buy items worth 30,000 naira. Some people may even buy items worth 50,000 naira or even items worth 100,000 naira, depending on the level of trust they have in you to give you such amount of money. So imagine the amount of money you'll be making every week. That's another side hustle idea a lot of people are sleeping on. They feel like, oh, I can't make money being a person. So now the next one is start a YouTube channel. I know you might have heard of this 1,001 times, but it is the truth. Like, start a YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Like, do you know how to like create lifestyle videos? Do you know how to bake very well? Do you know how to cook very well? Do you know how to sew very well? Do you know how to dance very well? Like, anything you know you can do very well, like, or something you know you have knowledge about and a lot of people do not have knowledge about, you can start a YouTube channel on that and start creating content on that. Believe me, a lot of people are going to watch your video. So far you keep on posting consistently, people are going to find your video one day and they are going to get hooked on your channel. And one good thing about YouTube is once you keep on posting content consistently and you pass the threshold, you pass the monetization stage, you are going to start earning in dollars. I'm going to start earning in dollars very soon. And if you start a YouTube channel now, you are going to start earning in dollars also. And another good thing about YouTube is you can be in any part of the world and continue to like film content and upload on YouTube. So even when you go back to school, you can create one space in your house and make that like your filming area and film your video and upload to YouTube, and people are. Next one is laundry service. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I can't wash clothes for my mates, I can't wash clothes for people, but the thing is, laundry service is where the money is. If you're a Nigerian student looking for side hustle idea, this is another side hustle idea I would recommend to you, because these days a lot of people are usually so lazy and so busy to wash their clothes, and they don't even have time to wash their clothes. If you visit some people today, you see clothes they've worn for the past 3 months inside their laundry basket, and that is because they're either too busy or they don't like to wash clothes. Okay, so you can go around your neighborhood, search for people like this and tell them, or you can even make a banner and put in front of your gate to tell people that this is what you do, that you help people wash their clothes, or you go to your neighborhood and search for people that need your services and pack their clothes and wash. All you just need to do is get soap, get water, get bucket and wash with your hands. You dry it. Once it is dried, you iron it and send back to them and collect your money. So the last but not the least is drop shipping. Now, what you simply need to do as a drop shipper, what you simply need to do is collect product pictures of either locks or wristwatch or bags or shoes, depending on what you want to be selling from your supplier. And then you come to your Instagram page or your Facebook page or on your WhatsApp status and then post and add your own extra commission. Now, what do I mean by adding your own extra commission? Let's say your supplier is selling that thing for 5,000 naira. You can try to add like an extra commission of 500 naira, which is 5,500 naira. Okay, so now when you post on your WhatsApp status or on your Instagram page and then you get buyer and the person pays 5,000 naira to you, then you give that 5,000 naira to your supplier, sends the goods to that person that paid, and then that extra 500 naira on top is yours. Imagine you are selling like 10 bags a day and one bag costs 5,500 naira. Now that 500 naira on top, calculate that 500 naira times 10 people. You see, that is a whole lot of money. And then calculate that amount you are going to be making in a week. That is like gold money. That is like, I don't know, that is a whole lot of money. So if you are looking for a side hustle idea that doesn't require capital or no money to start, I would recommend you start drop shipping. And also, if you want me to make like a more detailed video on drop shipping, I can do that. Just let me know in the comment section and I will make the video readily available for you guys. So I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Turn your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and most importantly when I upload the drop shipping video. And I will see you guys in my next one.